How to install 5-light rectangle kitchen chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Thread screws into iron straps and iron frame, then tighten screws till snug. Thread screws into iron straps and fixture body, then tighten screws till snug. Pass fixture wires through the chosen tubes. And screw tubes onto the top of fixture body. Attach quick links to the loops on stems and canopy. Pass wires through loop and canopy. Gently pull the wires to ensure the wires are not stressed. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.